Hi everyone! In this tutorial, we will create a reveal animation using GSAP. The images appear one by one when the page loads. SplitText is used to animate the title one letter at a time, and the paragraph fades in smoothly. It is also responsive and works well on all screen sizes. Let's get started. Let's begin with the HTML. The section includes an image container and a context area. This area holds a title and a paragraph. The image container holds all images side by side. Now let's move on to the CSS. In this part, we style the layout, images, and text. We reset margin and padding for all elements. The images will fill their container completely. The section has two rows. 60% is for the image container and 40% is for the context. It also covers the full height of the screen. We place the images in a row. We also add space between them. We set the flex to 1 so all images share the available space equally. We add a shadow to the image wrapper. The context is centered both vertically and horizontally. The clamp function makes the text size responsive. We set the width to 50% to leave space on the sides. Now we add media queries to make the layout responsive. We increase the paragraph width on smaller screens. For the first image, we can adjust the position in this way. Or we can leave it as the default. We switch the images to a grid layout on smaller screens. We also add extra space and update the padding. Now we hide the title and paragraph to prevent flickering. The images also start invisible. Now let's move on to JavaScript. In this part, we create the animation for the images and text. We add the CDN links to use GSAP and SplitText. We also activate the SplitText plugin. We select all images, the title, and the paragraph. Now we set the initial state for the images. This clip path hides the image in the center. We also apply blur and adjust the image's position and scale. We split the title into characters. Each character starts invisible and lower on the y-axis. We use a GSAP timeline to control animation flow. The first animation starts after a short delay. The images animate one by one. The clip path opens from the center to full size. We also remove the blur effect. The position and scale return to normal. Each animation waits for the previous one to finish. Now we adjust the timing to improve the flow. This way, each one starts 0.7 seconds before the previous animation ends. The title characters fade in and move up. They also rotate upward from the bottom. All character animations are evenly spread over 0.8 seconds. The characters animate one by one from the start. It begins after the image animations have ended. Now it starts 0.8 seconds before the image animation ends. Finally, the paragraph fades in. This animation starts when the page loads, but in real projects this section is usually not the first one. So we want the animation to start only when we scroll to it. For this reason we use GSAP ScrollTrigger. First we add another section. Now the animated section appears after the user scrolls, but the animation still triggers too early. To fix this we add ScrollTrigger. We include its CDN link and register the plugin. We attach ScrollTrigger directly to the timeline. This start point is for testing, but you can use the top 60% to get a smoother result. The animation plays only once when it is triggered. This first image is not hidden. This is because the animation starts 0.7 seconds earlier. To fix this, we set a different timing for the first image. Now it starts after 0.3 seconds. The first image doesn't appear now. When the section reaches the trigger point, the animation starts. Finally, we can remove the markers. And there you have it. We created a reveal animation for images and text using GSAP. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more creative projects. Thanks for watching.